Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to recover Microsoft Authenticator app. So Microsoft Authenticator is a useful tool that adds an extra layer of security to your online accounts. So it's like a digital gatekeeper, making sure only those allowed can access your data. So you don't need to rely only on passwords or pins anymore. And this app makes two-factor authentication possible. That's when you need something, your password and something you have with your device. So Microsoft Authenticator will identify you and let you access your account. So it also generates unique codes or tasks for approval for login request. Now to basically have this on your mobile phone, if you're an Android user, you can go to Google Play Store and install this app right here. Now once you install this Microsoft Authenticator, we have to open this app right here. So we're going to tap on the open button and then we're going to set up your account. Once you open your app, as you can see, just tap on accept. And then here you should have to sign in with your Microsoft account. So tap on the sign in with your Microsoft account. And then you should have to enter your email on your Microsoft. And then here are this page. After you sign in with your account, you can just allow autofill here. So select Google or any of the options here and then tap on OK. And then tap on skip at the top right. And then tap on done. And here is your dashboard. As you can see your Microsoft Authenticator app. Now, if you want to enable your cloud backup, you just need to tap on the three dots at the top right hand corner of your screen and select on settings. And once done, you can now enable this cloud backup. But if you lose your Microsoft Authenticator account, now to recover your Microsoft Authenticator, you just need to follow these simple steps. First up, you need to check if you have a backup. So this makes the recovery process much easier. And then you have to reinstall the application on your Google Play Store. So from here, as you can see, you just have to tap on the install button and then we're going to open the app. So you may need to create an account if it's your first time, and then you should have to initiate recovery. So look for the recovery account option here, or you can find here at the bottom says restore from backup. And then you should have to verify identity. So you may need to email verify or answer security questions. And finally, you can now restore accounts. So you should now have access to all your saved accounts. So make sure to back up your Microsoft Authenticator regularly. So it's important for a quick recovery in case of mishaps. So that's it. That's how you basically recover Microsoft Authenticator app. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.